Long trips require comfortable, fresh clothing. Bamboo clothing meets this demand with its unique benefits. It offers exceptional comfort, breathability, and moisture management. This is especially valuable when traveling long distances. Bamboo clothing helps you feel good during flights, road trips, and while exploring new places. Bamboo fabric is incredibly soft and smooth, making it perfect for extended wear. This helps prevent chafing and discomfort when sitting for long periods during travel. One of the biggest benefits of bamboo clothing is its breathability. It allows air to circulate and keeps your body cool even in crowded airports or warm destinations. Bamboo clothing absorbs moisture much faster than cotton. This helps keep you dry and comfortable during long travel days. Bamboo fibers naturally resist odor causing bacteria. This means your clothing stays fresh longer, even when you cannot change outfits frequently. Bamboo clothing also helps regulate temperature in changing climates. It keeps you cool in warm weather and comfortable in cooler environments. Another advantage is lightweight packability. Bamboo clothing folds easily and takes up less space in your suitcase. Bamboo fabric is hypoallergenic and gentle on sensitive skin. This makes it ideal for travelers who experience irritation from synthetic fabrics. Bamboo underwear is one of the best essentials for long travel days. It stays breathable, soft, and comfortable for extended wear. Bamboo socks help control moisture and prevent odor during long walking days. Bamboo clothing is easy to wash and dries quickly. If you want comfort, freshness, and lightweight packing, bamboo clothing is the perfect travel choice. It helps you stay comfortable from departure to arrival. Bamboo clothing covers all essential travel needs. Embrace bamboo clothing for your next trip to stay comfortable and stylish. Discover the best bamboo options for your travel needs today.